Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are a few upgrades that I'm going to be fitting in a Ford Fiesta Mark 6, which includes stereo with all its accessories, fog lights, interior light, number plate lights, interior lights again, different sort, and then we've got side lights for your headlights. Here we've got it's not a complete kit, just still waiting for the 4 gauge red wire, which is also ordered from eBay, but we've got a distribution block, fuses, inline fuses for the inline fuse holder, and a few connections for the 4 gauge wire. Now for the exciting part, today we will be fitting the number plate lights. We're going to replace the standard number plate lights with these new LEDs. So what we need to do is remove both of these and then fit these. So what we need is a T20 Torx bits for these screws. So I'm going to remove all the screws first. That's one. That's two. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is unclip them. That's one. Two. So what I'm going to do now is give these a bit of a clean, take these out, so it's just pull forward and then just clean them, give them a bit of a clean so that they look a bit better. So once you've cleaned them and dried them, should look like that. They look a lot better, but if you want you could replace them, but only if it's really bad. But as you can see just there, the connection's rusting, but I'm not too fussed about that. So at least as long as the rest of it's fine, we can now install the bulbs. So got my bulb here. I don't know which way around it is yet, but we're going to try it. So I'm just going to fit it in. There we go. Make sure, if you do get these bulbs, make sure the heat sink is facing the top and the LEDs are facing the bottom, and then do the same thing on the other one. Right, now we're going to plug them back in. Right, before I screw it back in, I'm going to try them out. So there we go, they're both working. Looks like I got them the right way around the first time. So now I'm going to screw them back in. Now I know they're working. And there we have it, fitted. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.